Talking about pets.
Hi, Sarah. Do you have any pets at home?
Yes, I do. I have a small brown dog.
That sounds very cute. What is your dog's name?
His name is Max, and he's 2 years old.
I really like dogs because they are very friendly animals.
Max is friendly too, and he loves meeting new people.
Do you take him for walks every day?
Yes, I walk with him every morning before work.
That must be good exercise for both of you.
It really is, and we enjoy the fresh morning air.
I have a pet too, but mine is a cat.
Oh, nice. What kind of cat do you have?
She is a white cat with bright green eyes.
She sounds very beautiful. What is her name?
Her name is Lily, and she sleeps a lot.
Cats usually enjoy sleeping during the day.
Yes, but she becomes very active at night sometimes.
That sounds funny. Does Lily play with toys often?
Yes, she loves playing with small balls and strings.
Max likes toys too, especially his red rubber ball.
Pets can make life happier and less stressful.
I agree, because animals bring joy to many people.
Do you feed Max special dog food every day?
Yes, I buy healthy food for him from the pet store.
I also buy special food because Lily is very picky.
Many pets are picky when they eat their meals.
Sometimes Lily refuses food if she does not like the smell.
Max is different because he wants to eat everything quickly.
Dogs usually have bigger appetites than cats.
That is true, and Max always waits near the kitchen.
Does he bark loudly when visitors come to your house?
Yes, he barks first, but then he becomes very friendly.
Lily hides under the sofa when strangers visit my home.
Cats are often more careful around new people.
Do you ever take Max to the park on weekends?
Yes, he loves running and playing with other dogs there.
That sounds like a lot of fun for him.
It really is, and he sleeps well after the park.
I want to buy a new toy for Lily this weekend.
I think she will enjoy a soft toy mouse.
That is a great idea. She likes chasing small things.
Pets need fun activities to stay happy and healthy.
You are right, and they also need lots of love.
Yes, pets become part of the family very quickly.
I cannot imagine my home without Lily now.
I feel the same way about Max every day.
Maybe one day our pets can meet each other.
That would be interesting and probably very entertaining.
I hope Max and Lily become good friends in the future.
I hope so too, and I think they will.
Buying clothes at a mall.
Excuse me, can you help me find some shirts?
Of course. What kind of shirt do you want today?
I want a casual shirt for everyday use.
We have many new shirts on this side.
I like the blue one near the window.
That shirt is very popular with young customers.
It looks nice. Do you have a medium size?
Yes, we do. Please wait for one moment.
Thank you. I also need a pair of jeans.
Sure. What color jeans are you looking for?
I want dark blue jeans because they match everything.
That is a good choice for daily wear.
Can I try these clothes before I buy them?
Yes, the fitting room is over there on the left.
Great. I will try the shirt and jeans now.
Take your time. I will wait here for you.
I really like the shirt, but the jeans feel tight.
No problem. I can bring you a larger size.
That would be very helpful. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Here is the larger pair of jeans.
These jeans fit much better now.
I'm happy to hear that they fit well.
How much is the shirt today?
The shirt costs $25 this week.
That price sounds reasonable to me.
The jeans are also on sale today.
Really? How much are the jeans now?
They are $30 after the discount.
That is a good deal for these clothes.
Yes, many customers bought them this weekend.
I think I will buy both items today.
Excellent choice. Do you need anything else for your outfit?
Maybe I should look at some shoes too.
We have sneakers and formal shoes on the second floor.
I only need simple white sneakers right now.
These white sneakers are comfortable and easy to clean.
They look perfect for everyday walking.
Would you like to try your shoe size?
Yes, please. I usually wear size 9 shoes.
Here is a pair in size 9 for you.
These shoes feel very comfortable on my feet.
That is great. They match your new clothes very well.
I think I will buy the sneakers too.
Wonderful. I will prepare everything at the cashier now.
Can I pay with my credit card today?
Yes, we accept both cash and credit cards here.
Perfect. Shopping here was very easy and enjoyable.
Thank you. We hope you visit our store again soon.
I definitely will come back with my friends next time.
Have a wonderful day and enjoy your new clothes.
Talking about weekend plans.
Hi, Daniel. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I do. I want to spend time with my family.
That sounds nice. What will you do together?
We are planning to visit a big park near our house.
Parks are great places to relax on weekends.
Yes, and the weather should be sunny on Saturday.
I hope the weather stays nice for your trip.
Thank you. Do you already have weekend plans too?
Yes, I want to go shopping with my friends.
That sounds fun. What do you want to buy?
I need some new clothes and comfortable walking shoes.
I also need new shoes because mine are very old.
Maybe you can shop after visiting the park.
That is a good idea if we have enough time.
Are you going to eat outside with your family too?
Yes, we want to have lunch at a small restaurant.
What kind of food does your family usually enjoy?
We all like Italian food, especially pizza and pasta.
I love pizza too, especially with extra cheese.
Extra cheese makes pizza taste much better for me.
After shopping, I may watch a movie at home.
That sounds relaxing after a busy day outside.
Yes, I want to rest before the new week starts.
Weekends are important because people need time to relax.
You are right, and weekends help reduce stress.
Do you usually stay home on Sunday evenings?
Yes, I normally prepare my clothes and meals for work.
That is very organized and helpful for busy mornings.
Thank you. I dislike feeling rushed on Monday mornings.
I understand because Mondays can feel very stressful sometimes.
Are your children excited about going to the park?
Yes, they are very excited to play games outside.
Children usually enjoy running around in open spaces.
That is true, and they also love feeding the ducks.
Feeding ducks sounds like a peaceful weekend activity.
It really is, and everyone enjoys the fresh air there.
I may also visit my parents on Sunday afternoon.
I think they will be very happy to see you.
Yes, we usually drink tea and talk together for hours.
Family conversations can make weekends feel warm and special.
I completely agree with you about that.
Maybe next weekend we can all do something together.
That would be wonderful if our schedules are free.
We could go hiking or have a picnic somewhere nice.
A picnic sounds perfect for sunny weekend weather.
We can bring sandwiches, drinks, and some fresh fruit.
That sounds delicious and very easy to prepare.
Yes, simple food is often the best for picnics.
I am already excited about next weekend now.
Me too, and I hope we have a great time together.